guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited. We're going to be doing a unboxing video of the new Limecrime Venus XL2 palette. If you guys don't know what the palette looks like, it's pretty much a peachy pink kind of green palette, and those tones just all together were really calling my name. Like, as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, I need this in my life. So pretty. And the one gloss that I got is like kind of like a lime green glittery gloss, and it's so odd, so out of there, but I was like, I need this in my life. It's freaking gorgeous. So if you guys are excited to see my unboxing, then let's just get right to it. Okay, so here's the box. So I'm super excited to open it, see what they look like, and to play around with them. Alright, so let's see if I have something that I can cut to open it. Okay, so I'm just using handy dandy tweezers. Okay, so we got the box open. The tweezers like got on the box, but let's open it up. I love their packaging. It's so pretty. I've gotten packages, like I've ordered stuff from them before, so, and they always have this like packaging, really pretty, like floral, like feminine. I love the warm or the fun like shades and tones and like the floral print and everything. So cute. Max always has to come over and say hi when I'm filming. He's like, pay attention to me, right? Yeah. Okay, so when you open it, it just comes out like this. Then there's more tissue paper. And then this chunk just comes out. And then we got some bubble wrap. So we have the palette, which is wrapped in bubble wrap, and then the two lip glosses that I got. I'm so excited for. There's just a packing slip down there in the bottom. So I'm gonna play with the lip glosses first before we go into the palette. So the first lip gloss I got is the Sparkling Cherry Lip Gloss. So the inside of the box is green. It like matches the whole collection, which I absolutely love. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's like a very light, like champagne color. So pretty. Oh my gosh. This is going to look absolutely beautiful over like any like neutral lipsticks, as well as just on its own, I feel like. And then I'm so excited for this one. This is the Cherry Slime. Okay, let's pop this bad boy open. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. It's literally like cherry slime. Like it's like the green like slime color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It has really pretty glitter in there as well. I cannot wait to try this and see how it looks on the lips. Okay, so next we're gonna open up this palette. So excited. So this is the packaging here. Take it out of the plastic. So pretty. Green is like my absolute favorite color ever. I just love like all of the tones, the greens, the peach, the orange. So pretty. Love how she has like long like coffin nails and rings on. That's adorable. So this is just what the packaging looks like up close. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Look at those shades. So I really hope you guys can see these shades right now. With the way the lighting is and everything that's in front of me, it's kind of making that really difficult to show you guys. But this palette is so pretty. My lighting's acting like really wonky for some reason. So we're just gonna get right into playing with this palette. So as you guys can see, I already just did my face real quick. One thing I forgot to do was my brows, so I'm gonna hurry and just do my brows quickly. Okay, so I just went and quickly did just a quick brow, not like my best brows. But I've been doing more like kind of like casual brows lately, not so like defined, which I don't know. It's just like how I've been liking them lately. I think I might try the more like precise, like crisp brows again to see how I feel, but lately I've just been loving the more kind of just relaxed, kind of filled in, sparse in some areas brow. I don't know, it's just me. Just applying some MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. So I'm going to start out with this shade here as a transition shade. This is the shade Ripe. It's kind of like a neutral brown, and I'm going to just go above my crease with that shade. Dipped into it barely, and I don't know if you guys can see, but there's so much pigment on there, so I'm going to have to brush a little bit of it off because I don't want to apply that much to my lid like off the bat. Tapped a little bit off, and now we're just going to go in. So I just like to bring it inward in like a V motion towards the end of my like eyelid here. So now we're going to go into this shade here. It's called In Bloom. Just going to apply this one right over top of the brown shade, a little below it. Now I'm going to apply some of this Classical shade here, the darker one. Just buffing all the colors in together with this fluffy brush from... It's Tapered Blending. I cannot even say the name, so I'm just going to spell it. It's B-E-A-U-G-A-C-H-I-S. I just swatched both of the lip glosses, and they smell so freaking good. Like, so good. They smell so sweet and like, oh, I just want to eat them. So now I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer with my Sigma F70 brush. Just a little bit. I'm just going to pop some of that Sage shade onto where I applied the concealer. So now I'm just darkening the crease with a shimmer shade from the palette. It's called West. It's like an almost deep copper tone, just to add a little bit of definition. So now I'm going back into Bloom just to add that pop of pink back in there. So the shade is West. For inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to be using this Myth Light like mint green shade. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. Now we're just going to curl our lashes and apply some mascara. So while my lashes are drying, I'm going to go into the palette and just apply some of the colors that I used before to my lower lash line. So I just popped on some Dodo lashes in D309. I love these lashes. I've had them for so long. I have to get some new pairs soon. I do have a discount code. If you guys want to use it, I will put it somewhere in the video. Now I'm just going to pop some black liner from Pixi underneath my eye. So now I'm just going to apply some liner to my lower lash line. Now I just grabbed a random pencil to line my lips, and today I'm going to be using the Urban Decay's 1993. Okay, so I decided to go with the Sparkling Cherry shade. In the beginning of the video, I was thinking of going with Cherry Slime, but I'm going to save this one for like another video because the look that turned out. But I do definitely want to use this one in the future. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It smells like some type of sweet, and it just makes me want to like lick it. It smells so good. lip gloss is so nice. I really, really love this formula. I think I'm gonna have to get a few of the others. So this is the final look. Not what I was expecting the look to turn out to be. Like, when I first saw this palette, I was gonna be going a total different like route, but I'm really excited and happy with how it turned out. I'm excited to play with more of the shades in this palette, some more of the pinks and some other shades of the greens. They are so pretty and I can't wait to play with it again, just so you guys can see the palette again and what it looks like. Sorry I can't give you a really good like close-up. My lighting is totally bugging out, I think because it's reflective and it's just totally messing with the lighting. But overall, I really love this palette. Like, everything was really nice and pigmented. I did not have to use any setting spray to make anything pop more. I did use a little bit of concealer as a base, but I usually use that with all of my shades. But they are really pigmented, and all you have to do is dip into them really like lightly to get like payoff, which is incredible. So I think this palette was like 40 or 50 something, but for the quality of this palette, I think it's definitely worth it. You get 18 shades for that price, and the payoff of them are incredible. I still have to get the other Venus palette, the big like pink one. I've been meaning to get it, I just haven't had a chance, so now that I've tried this, I'm definitely going to get that one. If you guys want to see a review on that one, I know it's been out for a little bit, but definitely let me know. As for these lips, oh my gosh, the Wet Cherry formula is incredible. Love it. I'm excited to try out this green one too. I swatched it on my hand and it swatches amazing as well. They both smell so good. So I'm going to have to get a few of the others from the collection. If you guys would want to see maybe some lip swatches on a bunch of the Wet Cherry lip glosses, let me know and I can definitely do that. But thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing / first impressions of the new Limecrime Venus XL2. If you guys want to see more unboxings, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And until our next one, bye!